just have the coffee and go, and you can take any sandwich from Carrefour just to save some bucks. And stay tuned, and yeah, let's try, and then I'll let you know how does it taste like. Assalamu alaikum, you guys. Welcome back to Dubai Diaries. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Today I'm back with another video, another review for you guys. And do you see this pretty dome restaurant? I am actually in Mall of the Emirates, and I showed you this before in my videos as well. I need to go and try their tea or coffee, but someday I'll go with my husband, not alone, and we'll give you a review about this. This is basically the Fashion Dome, which is the luxury part of Mall of the Emirates. You could see all the brands starting from here. We have Versace, we have Cartier, we have Bottega Veneta, Balenciaga, you name it, and then we have Chanel, Saint Laurent, and Valentino, Givenchy, etc. All the brands are here. And you guys, the view from here. So what is this thing, this huge thing, this is basically the ice rink from Ski Dubai, this one. So I would just go and show you what this actually is. Basically it's like the chairlift is coming from this part, so that's why they have to prepare it like this. And yeah, let's go explore and do what we are here for, and stay tuned and make sure you guys subscribe to Dubai Diaries, and I hope you guys are liking my content. I'm trying to bring more and more content in terms of what you say, reviews for you guys, so make sure you subscribe, and definitely there would be a humongous number of amazing reviews for you guys coming over in the coming days. And to see these bags, for me, I have always been in love with Louis Vuitton and their bags no matter what. So, and we have MK over here as well, so let's go and explore the mall. So guys, trust me, I am in love with this part of the mall. It's the second floor. When you come from the Fashion Dome, the luxury dome, you come over here. It's all glass covered roof of the Mall of the Emirates, and then you get to view this amazing part. I'll go and show that to you as well. There are a lot of cafes over here. We will come one by one. This is Emporio Armani Cafe. We'll come one by one and taste their coffees, their food, and then I'll give you the reviews. And guys, we have Fendi, and then we have Apple over there as expected. So let's take a round of this pretty place. Stay tuned. I'm going to take you at a very interesting place today, and make sure you subscribe to Dubai Diaries. This is another place that I've heard a lot about, Joe the Juice. So this is one in my list. In the coming days, you may see me doing a review on Joe the Juice as well. So stay tuned, you guys. There's a lot of reviews and content coming for you guys in the coming days. And Mall of Emirates is going through some extensive construction work. So that's why you would see everywhere they are just this kind of what you say, the shops have these things. Anyhow, let me tell you, this is the first floor food court. We have Gazebo, we have Asia Kitchen, we have Al Halab, Old Tbilisi, we have Nando's, and we have Butcher Steak. So all of them are selective but good things, and you can have the side of Ski Dubai with us as well. I can just go and show that to you. Yes, we have Ski Dubai over here, and yes, I showed you that slanting thing from the last clip. That is this thing. Let me come over here and show it to you. So you see there is a chairlift going in back, and then there's a slant. So this slant, you guys, this one is all that slanting thing that outside the mall. So just to give you a brief idea about it. So let's go. We are here to try something, and I heard many good things about that. Even the the food court, the other food court on this floor is also going some maintenance activities. So yeah, let's go see what we are here for and stay tuned. Here I'm showing you guys the menu of coffees and all the drinks that are being offered at the cafe, and these are the desserts that they have. It is Cafe Paul, and furthermore in the clips I'll share the feedback of all these yummy things. Like from outside they look yummy. And again at my back I have the prettiest ski Dubai, and do you see that cute hut that they have prepared? So basically I've come here for the review of the cafe, and the cafe is called it's Paul Lee Cafe. It's a branch of Paul actually. We have a main Paul as well, but that's all the time haphazing with people. You could see the cafe's name is called Paul Lee Cafe. So I have tried their coffee before as well, and it turned out really well. I'm not into iced coffee much, but someday we'll definitely have a try of that, some iced coffee, and then maybe some matcha someday. So let's wait for our food to come and then I'll review it for you guys. One thing that I wanted to capture the coffee making process, etc., but these guys they are a bit stingy and they wouldn't let you capture, so it's okay. I can just show you my food. I can give you the review for that, even if they don't want me to capture the review of capture the scene of the preparing the coffee itself. Let's wait for our food, you guys. This is the coffee, so I chose the caramel flavor, the sugar-free caramel for the coffee flavor, and this is their turkey sandwich. I'm really hungry. I haven't had anything since morning, and it's 6:37 p.m. in the evening right now. So guys, it's very late. Let's have this sandwich. But one thing that I always show you, and I'm here to show you as well, is the total amount. So you guys, the total amount came out to be 75 dirhams. It's very expensive. The sandwich itself is 47.80 and the cappuccino is 22. So if you want to come over here for a coffee, it's fine. You can have this coffee in 22.80. That's good. But this sandwich, it has, what does it has in it that is costed so much? But I wanted to review the food overall from the Paul for you guys as well. I do that. We usually visit their other big outlet. I'll show you after this clip. But the coffee seems fine. Let's taste, and the sandwich as well. But it's really expensive. I would not suggest you to have this thing, the sandwich. Just have the coffee and go, and you can take any other sandwich from Carrefour just to save some bucks. And stay tuned, and yeah, let's try, and then I'll let you know how does it taste like. So I'm halfway through the sandwich. It tastes just okay. It has this turkey and cheese and tomato and lettuce only. I can make much more better at home. So please do not waste your money on having sandwich from Paul. Coffee is good, not that good. It's like in the other main cafe, the main Paul, the coffee is much more better than how the lady prepared it over here in this Paul Lee cafe. So with that, just wait ahead, and I'll share some more information with you guys in the rest of the video. And yeah, stay tuned. Here post the having of that sandwich and coffee, I am off to another place. Rather, I was just taking a stroll through the whole mall, and I came towards this fashion dome, and I saw Michael Kors, where they are offering some best prices on selected items. Means there was some discounts on few of the items. And yeah, just to give you an idea, the Cafe Le Paul, it was good. Like last time I had the coffee and it was really good. It's about a few months back. But today the coffee that I had was just okay. It was not that good. Plus the sandwich was very much overpriced. So for me, if you would ask a suggestion, because I am doing food blogging a lot, it's not you should not waste your money in having that kind of a sandwich. It's just turkey, that too frozen one, and they have just added the vegetables with it, within a baguette. So it's not worth spending your money on. So you can just grab a coffee from there if you want and if you like, but there are so many other options in Mall of Emirates itself, like this one that I'm showing you. I'll cover this one in one of my upcoming videos as well, this cafe. And this is my review for you guys, and I hope you would take my words. And I really like that you guys are watching my videos, and I would really appreciate if you guys support my channel, and I'll make sure to bring an amazing content for you guys.